Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, there lived a young man named Arav. He was like any other person, ordinary, unnoticed, and dreaming big dreams. Every morning, Arav would wake up before sunrise, look at the mountains in the distance, and think, one day, I want to do something extraordinary, something that matters. But life was not easy. His family struggled to make ends meet, and people around him often said, dreams are for the lucky, Arav. Focus on reality. Despite this, Arav carried a spark inside, a belief that his life could be more than ordinary.
Arav's days were filled with hard work. He worked in a small shop helping his father while secretly learning about business and leadership from old books he borrowed from the town library. People laughed at him. Why waste your time on books? You'll never make it, they said. But Arav didn't give up. Every evening, after finishing work, he would sit under a tree, writing down his plans, studying, dreaming. One day, Arav tried to start a small business selling handicrafted items. But his first customers were few. Orders were late, materials ran out, and one day the entire batch of products was ruined by rain. Arav felt defeated. Sitting alone in his small room, he whispered, maybe they were right. Maybe I'm not meant for anything big. But deep inside, something stirred. A quiet voice said, it's not about how many times you fail, Arav. It's about getting up one more time than you fall.
A few weeks later, Arav met an old man at the market. The man had gray hair, wise eyes, and a calm smile. Why do you look so sad, young man? Arav explained everything. His failures, his dreams, his doubts. Arav, let me tell you a secret. Life doesn't reward the talented or the lucky alone. It rewards those who refuse to quit. Your dreams are not far. You just need courage, patience, and belief. From that day, Arav decided to change. He set small, achievable goals every week, learning from each mistake, celebrating every tiny victory. Arav's journey was not easy. Every step forward seemed to bring 2 steps back. There were days when the shop had no customers, days when friends betrayed him, days when he almost gave up. But Arav kept a journal. Every night he wrote, today I learned. Today I improved. Tomorrow will be better. Slowly, his hard work began to pay off. People started noticing his dedication. Orders grew. He started mentoring others who, like him, dreamed big but had no guidance. One day, a big investor visited his shop. Investor, I've heard about your work. Your dedication is rare. I want to invest in your business. Arav's heart raced. After years of struggle, a breakthrough was finally within reach. But the journey didn't end there. New challenges arose: competition, mistakes, tough decisions. Each obstacle tested Arav's patience and belief. Yet he remembered the old man's words: refuse to quit, and the world will open doors for you. Years of perseverance, learning, and resilience finally led Arav to success. He expanded his business, helped his town grow, and became a symbol of hope and motivation for everyone around him. Arav stood on the hilltop, looking at the town where he grew up, and whispered, "This is just the beginning. Dreams are not about wealth. They are about becoming the best version of yourself." Arav's story teaches us a simple truth. Success is not instant. It comes to those who are willing to struggle, to fall, and to rise again. Happiness and achievement are born from persistence, courage, and self-belief. So, whatever your dream is, remember Arav. Keep going, keep believing, and never, ever give up.